uncountable nouns. Definition: uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. They do not have a plural form and are treated as singular. We use words like much or a little to describe them. Uncountable noun. Example sentence: water, water. I need some water. Sugar, sugar. Can you add sugar to my tea? Rice, rice. We have rice for dinner. Coffee, coffee. She drinks coffee every morning. Milk, milk. Milk is in the fridge. Bread, bread. We bought bread from the bakery. Salt, salt. I need a pinch of salt. Tea, tea. Would you like some tea? Honey, honey. I put honey in my tea. Butter, butter. Can you pass the butter? Flour, flour. We need more flour for the cake. Juice, juice. She drinks fresh juice every morning. Chocolate, chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Weather, weather. The weather is perfect today. Air, air. The air feels fresh after the rain. Furniture, furniture. The new furniture is stylish. Music, music. She loves listening to music while working. Information, information. He gave me some useful information. Snow, snow. The snow is falling outside. Blood, blood. There was blood on the floor. Laughter, laughter. Laughter is contagious. Patience, patience. It takes patience to learn a new language. Traffic, traffic. The traffic was heavy this morning. Homework, homework. I finished my homework early. Knowledge, knowledge. Knowledge is power. Love, love. Love is all you need. Money, money. She doesn't have enough money for the concert. Advice, advice. He gave me some great advice. Equipment, equipment. The team bought new equipment for the project. Courage, courage. Courage is needed to face challenges. Beauty, beauty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Time, time. I don't have much time to finish the task. News, news. The news is on every hour. Bread, bread. We have some fresh bread. Work, work. I have a lot of work to do today. Art, art. She is studying art at university. Health, health. Good health is very important. Hair, hair. She has long hair. Paint, paint. He used paint to finish the mural. Weather, weather. The weather looks great for a picnic. Progress, progress. The progress on the project is slow. Sand, sand. The sand was warm under my feet. Clothing, clothing. Clothing is on sale this week. Beauty, beauty. Beauty can be found in simple things. Knowledge. Sharing knowledge helps us grow. Courage, courage. He showed great courage in the face of danger. Fun, fun. We had so much fun at the party. Joy, joy. Joy is a gift that should be shared. Success, success. Success comes to those who work hard. Time, time. I don't have much time to talk. Traffic, traffic. The traffic is always bad at this hour. Literature, Literature. She studies literature in college. Weather. Weather. Weather changes quickly in the mountains. Research. Research. The research was groundbreaking. Freedom. Freedom. Freedom is something we all cherish. Energy. Energy. We need more energy to finish the project. Food. Food. The food was delicious at the restaurant. Fun. Fun. Fun is essential for a happy life. Happiness. Happiness. Happiness is a choice. Traffic. Traffic. The traffic was terrible this morning. Health. Health. Eating well contributes to good health. Noise. Noise. The noise from the construction was loud. Space. Space. We need more space for the new furniture. Advice. Advice. I asked for some advice on the issue. Weather. Weather. The weather is unpredictable in this region. Light. Light. The light in the room is dim. Peace. Peace. Peace is what the world needs most. Exercise. Identify the uncountable nouns. I need a little bit of sugar in my tea. The air is fresh after the rain. She has a lot of homework to do. There was too much traffic this morning. I love listening to music while I work. Congrats on finishing this lesson. Ready to master nouns? Don't stop here. Watch the full playlist to dive deeper into English grammar. Click the link in the description and level up your grammar game now. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English Pro. And don't forget to hit the bell for even more exciting lessons coming your way. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English Pro. And don't forget to hit the bell for even more exciting lessons coming your way. Take care, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.